Good morning. Welcome from Fasteners Plus here in Iowa. Today we're going to build a lovely little garden bench from our friends at Simpson Strong-Tie. They give us a lovely little package here with a 2-page instruction on how to put this garden bench together. We're going to use some of their components today. We're going to use their APRTA2Z. This is a black powder coat over a Z-Max finish. It can be used for exterior conditions. We've got some beautiful red cedar we're going to be building this bench out of. We're also going to be using their Outdoor Accents number 10 by 1.5 inch SD screws. And we're also going to be using the DCU 2 3/4 screws to be joining all our wood components together. So sit back and enjoy, and we'll see this project when it gets done.